Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to hollow solid. As example, I will create new drawing and you can change into part design. Click create body, create sketch, I will choose top plane. And in there we draw a rectangle. Start from this origin point into here. Click close and use extrude tools or this tools pad to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to create hollow from these 3D objects, you can use thickness tools, these tools. First, you need to select face. I will select this face, and then you can click the thickness tools, and then it will be automatically create for the thickness for these 3D objects. You also can set increase thickness in here, okay, like this. The other option, I will select at this face, and also in the bottom here, you can press Control button to select a multiple face and then click thickness tools, and it will be create hollow for this 3D object. So you need to select face if you want to create, like I will select at this face and then use thickness tools and cut the selected face and create this thickness, and you can set for thickness at this point. Click OK if you done. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials how to hollow solid. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.